a high whiteness level, which makes it very desirable. And a couple of ways that you can identify a bone china is, one, most of it's marked on the bottom. Like if you look at the bottom of this cup, you can see that they actually mark it bone china. And Royal Albert's, a major contributor in bone china. They make a lot of bone china patterns. Another way is because bone china is so sturdy, it can be made thinner than other chinas, and it usually has a high translucency, so that if you hold it up to the light, you should be able to see through the bone china. Like if you hold your finger up to the back of the bone china into the light, and if you look at the bottom of the cup, you should be able to see the finger moving through the china. It's kind of hard to pick up on video, but hopefully you can see it. And that's a good way to kind of get an idea if it's bone china, if it's not marked. So that was just a quick video to explain.
There is another opinion, but the opinion of the vast majority, and this is what I follow myself, that the bones of haram animals are haram to use, even if they're crushed and used in plates and so on. So yeah, I would avoid using them, even though there is another opinion. But in this particular regard, I go with the opinion of the vast majority of the scholars. The bones